Today, we're diving into some shocking allegations against one of K-pop's biggest labels, HYBE. On October 3rd, a post surfaced, quickly going viral, accusing HYBE of crossing serious lines by allegedly investigating the identities of NewJeans fans. This post has racked up over 25,000 views in just a few hours and sparked outrage not only within the NewJeans fandom, but across the K-pop community. So what exactly is going on? According to a prominent NewJeans fan, HYBE has been manipulating media narratives and even pressuring politicians to protect the company's image. The most concerning accusation, however, is that HYBE has allegedly gone as far as investigating the identities of Team Bunnies. This is NewJeans' official fan group. Now, this is huge. Why? Because if these allegations are true, HYBE isn't just infringing on fan privacy. They're allegedly engaging in illegal practices. Fans should never feel like they're being watched by the label they support. It's an abuse of power that violates basic privacy rights. To be honest, it feels almost dystopian, like something you'd see in a movie where big corporations have absolute control over everything. But we're talking about real people, real fans, and real lives being affected here. Fans who read the post reacted with absolute horror. Many compared HYBE's actions to that of a dictatorship's secret police. One comment that caught my eye said, and I quote, "Wow, these crazy bastards. Are they the FBI?" They are acting like the secret police in a dictatorship. Another fan said, "It's disgusting to see them infringe on our rights to privacy." Fans are seriously concerned not just for their privacy, but also for the future of NewJeans, with some even hoping that the group will be able to leave HYBE without being negatively affected by all of this chaos. But why is HYBE allegedly going to such lengths? Could it be to silence criticism of how they've handled NewJeans and the controversies surrounding the group? Could it be damage control after the recent wave of backlash HYBE has been receiving? It's hard to say for sure, but it's clear that fans are worried, not only about their privacy being invaded, but also about the wider implications this could have on the K-pop industry as a whole. Some netizens are going as far as calling for collective action, stating that this isn't just about NewJeans or HYBE, but about protecting Korea's culture from being influenced by big corporations that believe they are above the law. One netizen said, "If we just stand by and watch, our nation's culture will be ruined. HYBE is just the start. Seriously, we all need to act." And honestly, that's a scary thought. K-pop is such a significant part of modern Korean culture, but if these big labels are able to wield this kind of unchecked power, what does that mean for the future of the industry and for fans worldwide? What's even more disturbing is that, despite the magnitude of these allegations, mainstream media in Korea has been largely silent on the issue. Fans are frustrated that the media seems to focus more on criticizing NewJeans fans than actually investigating these claims. This lack of media attention only fuels the sense of injustice and urgency within the fandom. If no one speaks up, does that mean HYBE will get away with all of this? At this point, it's hard to say what the truth is, but the allegations are alarming enough to warrant serious discussion. And if true, it could set a terrifying precedent for how powerful entertainment companies treat their fans and manage their public image. Will HYBE be held accountable for these actions? Or will they be able to brush this under the rug? As we wait for more information to surface, it's important to remember that fans are the lifeblood of K-pop. Without the fans, the artists and the industry wouldn't exist. And if companies like HYBE are willing to treat their own fandom this way, it's something that we all need to take seriously. I'll be keeping a close eye on this story as it develops, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates on this and other K-pop news. I also want to hear from you. What do you think about these allegations? Do you believe there's any truth to them? Let me know in the comments. Do you think this could lead to long-term damage for HYBE and NewJeans? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
돈가스요.